How to fix your account security logging into Facebook from an embedded browser is disable issue. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open your Play Store. Now search for the app Facebook. After it appears, if you find the option of update, just update your Facebook app to its latest version. After you update your Facebook app, now what you have to do is long press on it, click on the option of app info. Now at the very bottom, you'll find the option of force stop, click on it. Click on OK. Once you do this, you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, open your settings app. Now you have to head towards the browser from where you are trying to log into your Facebook account. Scroll down, open the option of apps. Click on manage apps. Now open the browser where you are facing this issue. Now head towards the option of app permissions. Make sure you have allowed it all the permissions. After you check this, head back. Now click on clear data option. Click on clear cache. Click on OK. After applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix your account security logging into Facebook from an embedded browser is disable issue. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.